diminished chord is similar to so in so many ways. And how do we use the diminished chord? We use the diminished chord when we are going to the first, and we also use the diminished chord when we are landing from the fifth, or we can equally use the diminished chord in place of the fifth. That's the so. So when we come on the keyboard again like this, we have, when you are going to do, which is from C to do, you've heard that a lot of times. The chord you use is again, and you can use that same chord as from the so, C, and this is where inversions come into play. This is where inversions take dominion over whatever we are learning here. Now, and again, to recap, the chord inversions: 1 3 5, 3 5 1, then 5 1 3. On the diminished chord, you have your 1, your 3, and your 5. The 1, which is the T, would move to the next octave. Then it becomes the first inversion. The Re moves to the next octave, then it becomes the second inversion. And playing its hand position should be this. You get it? The next one, like this. This one, or this, like that. And goes back to the roots. That's the invention for that. And now in a song application, when we take a song like Danase, and we have Danase, you see what I did there? Da onyame so. Like I told you earlier, the T moves as a passing chord to the first. So when you're on T, you move it to Do. The T can also go back to La. So basically for Danase, if we had played it normally to be this, Danase, Danase, Danase. I didn't use a T there again. Danase, then 3 to 6, La to Re, so at this time when we get to Da Onyame, we would have Da Onyame again, Da Onyame Nasio, Da Onyame Nase. So what do we do there? When we play the fifth, Onyame, a passing chord to the first. So on the fifth, remember this is the root of the fifth. This is the second inversion of the fifth. Why is it the second inversion? Because the roots here, this one comes here as first inversion, and this one comes here as second inversion. You move all this chord to a lower octave. You have this. Remember, the notes are J, C, and E, moved down. J, C, E. And remember that after this so, when we were learning the diminished chord, that is the T, we realized that you don't have the so in there, you have the fa in there. So instead of playing Da Onyame, Onyame, that's it. re, fa, ti, fati, re, fati. That's the finger positions of fati. Re, ne, fati. You get it like that? So the so is the first finger, the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky. The T, you remove the middle finger and you use your, tell me in the comment section, Refi. Finger way in there. So from this, Alfred, what will you call this finger?
Which one? The index finger.
God, thank you. The index finger. So from the middle finger to the index finger, then you end that on your do. The first finger, the third finger, then the pinky. All right? So that's how we have it there on Dynasty. And we could have any other song and you see the same way we are moving with this. It's the same way we're going to move with that. So if we have a song like We Give You Glory, Lord, as we honor you. Look at how we're going about the song. We give you one. Do glory, Lord. So as we honor you. How do we go about this? And add that passing chord we spoke about. We give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. Again, remember, before we were using this in the formal song, Danase. This time we have invented it. This one came here, this one came here. Back to the roots. I'm going back to my root, babe. Reggae music. So you have this there. So what the song we were doing right now?
We give you glory, Lord,
As we
honor you.
again, we
We
give
give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord.
So when it comes to the T, that's one of the basic ways to use it. I used it in this concept. You are wonderful.
You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord.
So do. That's one of the basic ways to use the leading notes. Most of the times leads to the first chord. That is do. I know you're enjoying this lesson. If you are and you still watching, kindly give me a subscription. Leave in the comments. Let me know how you feel about this tutorial and how I'm approaching it. Subscribe, like, and share to your colleagues who are also doing and learning from the beginning. Till I meet you next time, have a good day and go and practice. Bye-bye.